Alrighty, so Canvas has a new feature that was just released where students can submit a photo of their work directly in the Canvas assignment. As long as you've created an assignment with file upload as an option. So let me show you an assignment. I am logged in as a student. They will go and open the assignment. First, they'll click on Start Assignment. And then you'll see right here, there's an option to use the webcam. And when they select that option, they have to allow the camera. And then they can take a picture of whatever they're trying to turn in. And it will submit directly in here, and it will show up in your speed grader. You'll see that there's also options for students to upload the file from their computer or from their Google Drive, but the webcam is the new one, so they'll submit. And then I'll show you what it looks like for the teacher. So when the teacher goes to grade the assignment, you can open it from your gradebook or your to-do list. So now I'm logged in as a teacher, and when you go to grade the assignment, it's going to appear directly in SpeedGrader, which is very nice. And you can actually annotate directly on their work. So if it was a drawing or a paper that they wrote, you could type on it by using this type option. You could draw on it with a paintbrush, and you can even leave comments on specific parts of their paper by typing in a comment there, and the student will see that on their end as well. And so back on the student end, they'll see recent feedback over here on the right, or they'll see it in their grades as well. But let's check out what it looks like. Alrighty, so you'll see there's a picture here, and the student will click on View Feedback, and it will load the photo with anything that you added, all your annotations and comments that were directly on the assignment there. And that is it. All you need to do when you are creating the assignment is make sure that you've selected an online submission type and file upload, and that webcam option will appear for students.